Cash App, a mobile payment service developed by Square, has gained popularity among users for its convenience and ease of use. It offers a range of services, including sending and receiving money, direct deposits, and even investing in stocks. With the increasing use of digital wallets and online financial services, it's crucial to understand the safety of your funds and whether they are protected. One common question that arises is whether Cash App is FDIC insured. We will analyze that for you today in this short video. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, is an independent agency of the United States government that aims to protect depositors' funds in banks and other financial institutions. Generally, the FDIC insures deposits up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. This coverage ensures that if a bank fails or goes out of business, individuals' funds are still protected. However, it's important to note that Cash App is not a bank. Although Cash App provides various financial services, including providing Cash App debit cards and facilitating fund transfers, it does not hold users' funds in traditional bank accounts. Instead, Cash App funds are held by its partnering bank, Sutton Bank, and are insured by the FDIC. Under Cash App's terms of service, users' funds are eligible for FDIC insurance once they are deposited into the user's Cash App account. This means that if Sutton Bank fails, the FDIC will provide up to $250,000 in insurance coverage per depositor. Well, we will not say much now, and if you want to learn more about Cash App and FDIC insurance, and also know some measures Cash App has put in place to secure our funds, kindly hit the link in the description below. And we will end this for now, but before you leave, just give us a thumbs up and we will be grateful.